Hafsa here, back with a new video. Today is a very beautiful Friday morning. Look at the morning view, and I'll meet you after school. I hope you're fine. Hi guys, welcome back to Travel Tutor. It's me Hafsa again with a new video. Okay, so today was a short day because it's Friday. Fridays we have short days and we bring small bags because my small bag can fit everything, all my books because it's a short day. And tomorrow we're going to be going to one of my friends' house. She was one of my school friends before, but she left the school and got to a new school. We stopped here because at this restaurant because we want to get some aloo paratha from here. They make very yummy aloo paratha here. I'm super excited and super hungry because we're going tomorrow to one of my friend's house. You can see this is how it looks like from the back of the store. The weather is very nice today. It's windy. It's not that hot actually. Even though summer is coming, it's not that hot actually. There is a lot of houses here too. Okay. So guys, my name is Abdullah Safiullah. I took over this part of the video because my sister Hafsa's tongue is too tired because she's so talkative. But anyway, we are on our way home to Al Yahar down there. We're going there. It's Al Yahar or Al Ahmar, whatever. The point of this video is to discuss what happened at our school. First of all, maybe Hafsa tell you, but a reminder, Fridays are short day. So we come back early from school at 12 o'clock. Usually it's something like 3 o'clock. Hello guys, I am back. As you can see, I am at home. I'm back from Asr prayer. Since it's Friday today, I decided to talk about mosques. All the mosques in UAE are beautiful because they're run by the UAE government, and the imams of every mosque in UAE are given salary. The UAE government pays salary for them. There are other facilities and give them homes near their mosques. The biggest masjid in UAE is Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, which is in Abu Dhabi, and the biggest masjid in Alan is Khalifa bin Zayed. The mosque, inshallah, will go that mosque and give you a tour of that place. Now this is the end of our vlog. If you like this vlog made by Travel Tutor, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Bye.